went right through the red light. It's unbelievable. I'm perpetually stuck behind slow drivers. At least it's not a Prius. That's all I can say, you guys. For this.
The answer is that right now there is. Originally, it was.
This guy gonna cut me off? Alright, dude. Police action, you guys. What's going on here? Huh. What's that about?
Approving all of my unemployment funds. I can't even get those unemployment funds because they're appealing my case and getting in trouble with that.
Whoa.
And my job.
Man. That's a big dog, you see that? What's going on, you guys? Break in? Oh, shit. They catch him? Oh, good. Wow. Check that out. Breaking, you guys. Cool. In the tube deep, on it. And you guys. Crazy. You guys, that was crazy. Dalmatian. Hashtag. Hashtag. In the tube deep, you guys. Can I escape with a flight? I don't know. Ah, it's windy as hell. They were saying rain today, you guys. Oh my god, it's like a wind tunnel. Oh, already. Was that hashtag? Hashtag. There we go, you guys. Let's do this. In the tube deep, right up. No waiting. Visibility out there.
It's been all week.
Really? Wow.
But that's not saying much.
Let's get the gear down. Gear down. Come on, Alenka. You can do it. Let's do this. What's up, man? About to take off. Rolling. All right, you guys, let's do this. It's a little windy. It's electric ducted fan. Of course, you got people walking in, man. The runway. Here we go. Let's do this. I better wait for the helicopter. Hold on. If you see a plane, you're supposed to come down, or a helicopter. Let's do it. Make sure nothing in my eyes. Let's do it. Oh, I took off with the air brake up, you guys. See you later, man. wind took her way out, you guys. Jeez, come down, Alenka. Jeez, she was way up there. She wouldn't come down. Alenka in the air, you guys. I'm having trouble seeing her in the skies, you guys. Jeez, it's really windy, you guys. Damn. Of course, I got people walking into the runway. They're coming right into the runway, you guys. Way too windy. Shit, you know, they have to be walking right into the runway, you guys. Seriously, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can't even see that way, you guys. It's brutal. Gear down. Can't even see, you guys. Heads up, you guys, I'm landing here. Keep a heads up. Woo! Woo! Yeah, Alenka survives, you guys. That was brutal, you guys. The wind's just howling. Thank you! Cut. Gear up. Oh, that was harsh, you guys. The wind's just brutal. Hard to gauge, but I'm happy I landed. It's one piece. Gear down, gear up, gear up. Have a good day. Alenka. One flight in the books. More people gimping into my runway, you guys. Here comes Pedro, the lone pelican today. We have names for him. You guys in the tube deep. Look at the 360 cam, you guys. In the tube deep on the beach, you guys. Beautiful windy day. Windy as hell, you guys. They said it was going to rain today. It didn't rain yet. Beautiful day in the tube deep, you guys. There might be some rain off the coast. Alenka, you guys, 2 more flights in the books, logged in the tube deep. Let's do it.